Hello, welcome to my yoga class. Today we're gonna do ball massage with these two balls. This is called a lacrosse ball, but you can use tennis ball instead, but tennis ball would be more softer than this. This one will be more firm. So maybe I'll recommend you to start with tennis ball and then maybe try this one. I really like this one. It's quite firm and you can have a deep massage. So we're gonna do back massage. I do this when I have a back pain. So first we are going to start from here, like top of your shoulder. So in the middle, this is the spine, as you know. So spine and the shoulder blades. So you're gonna put the balls in between shoulder blades and the spine here, on the top of your shoulder, and then slightly lower, and you're gonna put slightly lower and rolling around up and down, slide up and down, and then you're gonna put in the middle of your back. Yeah, try not to touching your spine, and you're gonna put slightly lower and slightly lower. And you're gonna put bit outside of your waist, so be here. So this is a bone, your hip, and slightly upper than your hip bone. This is good for if you have a waist pain. And after, you're gonna put on the top of your hips, so slightly lower than your sacrum. Sacrum is the bone here you put the belt on, so slightly lower than that, and that's it. Okay, you need a yoga block, but if you don't have the yoga block, it's not a problem. And lie down on the yoga mat or on the floor. Put these two balls on the top of your shoulder. Okay, from here, put the block underneath your hips. Okay, inhale, raise your arms up, and exhale all the way down. Make a rainbow. Inhaling up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And change the direction down and make a rainbow up, and exhale down. Inhale, big rainbow, and exhale down. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Arms up, interlace your fingertips, and move your body side to side. And move your body up and down. slide up and down. So both are in between your spine and the shoulder blades. So not touching your spine. And now hands down. Remove the block. And put the balls slightly lower, but still in between your shoulder blades. Bring your arms forward. Inhale. Reach up toward the sky. Exhale. Hug the balls with the shoulder blades. Inhale. Reach. Exhale down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale. Reach. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now hug yourself. Move your body side to side. Move your body to right and look right. Inhale through your back. Exhale, relax. Inhale through your back. Exhale, relax. Come back to center. Move your body to left. Inhale through your back. Exhale, relax. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to the center. Put the balls slightly lower, but still in between your shoulder blades. Reach your arms to the sky. Inhale up. Reach. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hug yourself. Move your body side to side. If it's too intense, you can just stay in the middle. Just listen to your body. Just do what you like. And move your body to right, look right. Inhale through your back. Exhale, relax. Extend your body with the breath. Exhale, relax. Move your body to left, look left. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Come back to center. Interlace your fingertips behind your head and slide your body up and down. Also, you can just stay in the middle if you like. Wherever you like. Oh. Now put the balls in the middle of the back. And do Patakonasana with your legs. Open your legs, tailbone down. And move your torso side to side. So massage of your middle of your back. Inhale. Long exhale. Inhale. Long exhale. Okay, now put the balls slightly lower. Still in the middle of your back. Move your body side to side. So spine is in the middle, and the muscles in the right next to your spine. You're massaging the muscle. In the middle, inhale through your nose. Long exhale. Inhale. Long exhale. And put the balls slightly lower. Move your body side to side. Again, slightly lower. Slightly lower. And put the balls slightly outside of your waist. So here, put it there and hug your knees. You can just stay here or move your body side to side. If you have a very intense muscle here, it might be too intense. But as you repeat it every day, many times, you feel much better like me. Yeah. And now move your body to right, inhale through your lower back. Exhale, relax. Inhale. Exhale. Move your body to left. Inhale through your lower back. Exhale, relax. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Come back to the center. Put the balls on the top of your hips, slightly lower than your sacrum. Put the right ankle on the top of the left leg. Move your hips side to side. You're massaging right hip. And put in the middle of your hip, inhale through your nose. Exhale, relax your eyes, shoulders, and your hips. One more inhale. Exhale. Okay, changing the legs. Put the ball in the right, in the middle of your left hip, and move your hip side to side. This massage is good for if you have a sciatica pain, and here. In the middle, inhale through your nose and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Put the balls in the middle of your hips. Raise your legs up to the sky. Flex the toes. Exhale, point your toes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Put down, remove the balls. We're gonna rock your body forward and backward, rounding the spine. Feel the spine. Feel the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. From table, lower back, middle back, upper back. And last, and sit down, close your legs. Okay, it's done. So massaging your muscles is also important as much as you do yoga, because it makes your muscle quality better. So if you, for example, if you think about the meat, when you eat meat, if you like, if you punch them, you know, if you do this, then it's become more tender. So it's the same as your muscle. If you do, it makes it more tender. So you need to be balanced, not to make it too hard, not too soft. You know, stay in the middle. So you do workout and you do massage with the balls to make it more softer, so it's more balanced. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please come back. Have a nice day. Namaste.